Welcome to the tutorial on using your Decatur Proud calendar. From your Gmail, if you click on the waffle on the top right hand corner, you'll see a calendar in the menu, and if you click on that, this is going to bring up your calendar. This will be set to the default view of however you have it set. Mine is set to the month. You can change that by going up to the top right and clicking where it says month. You can change it to the day. You can change it to weekly, monthly, 5 days, schedule, or however you would like. I like to see my month at a glance. Over here it shows you just a brief look at the current month, and then you have a create button. There's two different ways that you can create an event in the calendar. You can click on the day and it'll let you create just a brief event. So we'll put sample event. And if you want to add people here, you can. Or you can click more options, and that's going to give you more options to add to your calendar event. You can choose that you're free or busy during this event. You can choose whether it's all day, if it repeats or not. You can choose your time. And when you're done, you click save. And then your event shows on your calendar. You can also click create, and that will automatically default to the current day. You can search for people to meet with by going under the little calendar on the left, and that will show you their calendars to see if they're busy during a specific time. You can add calendars to see what you would like to look at. I have a reminder calendar here. If you choose reminders, when you go to add a calendar entry, it'll give you the option to do a reminder, and this is going to show up in red with a little finger ribbon on it. When you do a reminder, this reminder will follow you from day to day until you mark it complete. This is nice because if you have something that you need to do but may not be an actual entry, this will follow you from day to day to day until you get it completed. When you click on it, you can then mark it as done, and it will cross it out that you have it completed. If you need to get to a different app within Google, click your waffle, and here's the menu of all of your options. That is a brief tutorial on your calendar.